Moving to the production workshop, you will see how a desk is produced from basic material. This is our latest laser cutting machine. Simply enter the requested information into a computer, and the laser cutter will produce the required pipe sizes with amazing accuracy, speed, and precision. In addition, the electronic parts used in our designs are very important for our seat-stand desks. Next, you will see the process of how we produce these electronic parts. Our workforce are highly trained skilled workers that use standard operating procedures. Every assembled leg is tested inside this room for things such as leg clone gaps, noise, smooth operational movement, and stability. After the silent room testing is completed, all parts will be sent here for packaging. At the end of the packing line, we will check and weight every package to ensure all parts have been included and that there are no parts missing. Once the logistics is ready, you can see we carefully load the products into a container.